Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add additional accounts on Upwork, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app and after that click on your profile, which is at the top left corner, and then click on the settings. After that click on the contact info and you can see the additional accounts section. So creating a new account allows you to use Upwork in different ways while still having just one login. So you can have a new client account, hire, manage and pay as a different company. Each client company has its own freelancers, payment method and report. And you can add new agency account, find jobs and earn money as manager of a team of freelancers. So these are the two types of accounts that you can add. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.